Hey there, Shooby Doodlers, how are you doing? Well, today I'm going to draw a Waffle House. What is that about? You may know there's a kind of a meme thing going on the internet at the moment. If you're watching this in 10 years' time, you'll be wondering what on earth I am talking about. I've had a couple of my videos where people have, not on this channel because you can't comment, people have commented and said I should be the new host for the Waffle House. It's a meme. It's just for the fun of it. So that is like a waffle. We're going to have another one coming down here. These are going to make the roof. So waffles are kind of strange shape, aren't they? Like that. And then we'll have that across there. A little line across there. And then we're going to want to have a waffle coming down here. It's going to be, oh no, it's going to be more like that, I think, isn't it? Yeah, probably. More like that. There we go. And then we're going to want to have another one. Let's have that go across the front, actually. There, and that will go around. And then that will be a square waffle, and we'll have another little bit on the top there. It's just been cut and added in. So this is a bit of waffle. You'll probably say that's exactly what I'm doing. So let's put these little waffle squares in there like that on the roof there, and then we're going to want little waffle squares underneath here as well. So these are more, you've got to squeeze these in. These are more squashed this way, and then that's going to be sort of hiding underneath the roof there. We've got nice sort of square waffle holes in here, like that, like that, and like that, and then we're probably going to want to have a little bit here as well, so they look a bit like windows. So right, so what we need to do now is to make that a little bit more waffly, don't we, like that, and we'll just kind of put little sort of upside down L shapes in there just to make it look a bit like a waffle. Now we have to do the other way here, down in the back, down in the back, down in the back, down in the back, and here I think we'll see it like that, probably like that, and we just do that quickly, and then we can sort of put the edge of the waffle table there, a little bit of shadow there, maybe see if we can get some shadow in there like that. I want some shadow in there. There you go. How to draw a waffle house. Real easy. Quite difficult, really. Thanks for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, practice, practice. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.